how to buy WebPay, the Wall Street Pepe token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account. As you can see, they have enough community there. Now keep following their updates about this token. Now after that, you need to buy this token in their website because this token is under the pre-sale. Now as you can see, this is the official website to buy this token. So now what you need to do is by selecting even you want to buy with card or you want to buy with crypto. Now if you want to buy with card, just click on this and now click on the wallet, but I will start with crypto. Now buy with crypto, as you can see, click on it and click on your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, as you can see, now scan this QR code and create your account after you downloading the best wallet app, and now buy in app with card or crypto. Now for this, I will just click on buy with crypto, click on MetaMask, as you can see. Now connect your wallet for here, and now as you can see here, you can select the Ethereum or any token you want. So after that, just type how much you want to buy, like it's too much. So as you can see, you can buy this amount of this token, and after that click on buy WebPay. So because I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet, I can't click on buy. So for you, if you have enough Ethereum in your wallet, you will see this buy WebPay pop up and click on it and you will buy it. Sorry guys. So if you want to buy with your credit card, what you need to do is by going back or reload the page, as you can see. Now after that, what you need to do is by going and clicking on your wallet for here to like log out for or disconnect your wallet. Now here, just click on buy with card, as you can see, and select your wallet from here, like MetaMask. And now after that, what you need to do, just enter how much you want to buy with USD. And this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click on buy WebPay and click on continue. Wait a few seconds, as you can see here. Now after that, enter your phone number and you will receive a code. Just copy it and paste it here in this page and click on submit. And after that, you will continue the buy process to buy this token. So this is how to buy your WebPay token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.